Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I want to share a topic with you guys that I believe truly can change the way you learn spoken English and how to practice spoken English effectively. So you see guys, spoken English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but it's about building confidence level, enjoying the process and practicing consistently. So guys, let me tell you about me. I was unconfident. I was unable to speak at all. Whenever I used to think that I have to speak in English language in front of the public, in front of my friends, I used to be nervous at that moment. I was not having that level of confidence, and I used to hesitate every time. Often I used to neglect talking about this language when I started learning this language. But finally I decided to change the way I used to learn. I decided that I have to learn this language within 3 months. Whenever we are going to set some goals to achieve something, whenever we have we have set the right direction, we have set the goal that we just have to do these things so that we can achieve that goal that we have set. So I just set that goal that I have to learn this language within 3 months, and after that I am going to tell you how it changed the way my spoken English learning journey, and I am able to speak very good English only because of those things that I did before for learning this language. So I am going to tell you how I transformed my spoken English journey. One day I was unable to speak at all. I was unable to speak, I was unable to understand, even I was unable to write in English language. But now I can understand, I can speak very well with the confidence. I can speak in front of anyone, and how I did it, I am going to tell you everything here, okay? So the first step, create your speaking environment. How did I create? I did 3 to 4 things. Number 1, I started watching everything in English language. I transformed my mobile phone in English language. Whatever the things I used to watch in Hindi language, I stopped watching. I started watching only in English language. Number 2, I started watching the movies, the web series. Actually, I did not used to watch the web series. Truly say that I used to watch the movies with the subtitles. So this is the number 2 that I did. As number 3, I started listening the songs only in English language. Listening songs can make your journey enjoyable. Whenever you are going to listen the songs, you are just feeling some kind of motivation, some kind of tune that will motivate you to speak this language, that will motivate you to continue your journey. Believe me, apply these things. You will definitely have some kind of positive transformation by applying these things. I can truly say, I can definitely 100% surety, I can say, if you are applying these things, you are going to have an environment, you are going to have a spoken English environment. So this is the first step that I did when I was beginner. So this is, I will highly recommend you that you just have to create your environment. So guys, think of one more small way to make your environment spoken English friendly. So this is the first step, guys, that truly transformed the way I used to learn, and now I am able to speak only because of this single step that I followed in starting. So this is the first step, guys. Step number 2, daily speaking practice. I am recommending you guys that I already have done these things. I am talking about the things only for you guys. So this is the second step, that speaking practice. So the question is how to practice spoken English. I already have told the ways that you guys have to follow. Only because of those ways you can learn this language. So how to practice? So you just have to give Actually, you just have to note down or take down 5 minutes exercise in your day, in your daily schedule. You just have to take down that I definitely have to do this 5-minute exercise. What do you have to do in this 5 minutes exercise? You guys can do this exercise in the morning when you are waking up. When you have woke up, you just have to do this 5-minute exercise, or before going to the bed, you guys have to do it. You just have to speak all the things, whatever the things are coming to your mind, you just have to speak. You can speak about something that can be anything, from watch to that you wear on your wrist, that you can talk about your clothes, you can talk about the books, you can talk about yourself, whatever the things you have done in your whole day from morning to night. You just have to speak only for 5 minutes. And truly speaking, 5 minutes can transform your life. In starting, you will say, how can it change? This is only 5 minutes. How can these 5 minutes transform my life? But truly speaking, believe me guys, 100%, I can say with the 100% surety that if you are going to practice this 5 minutes exercise for with the consistency for 1 month, for 20 days, you will truly see the transformation. You will truly see the changes that are coming in your life, that are coming in your spoken English journey. It is really really good tip that I am providing you guys. You guys have to do this exercise. In starting, you will definitely make many mistakes. I also used to make mistakes, but mistakes will shape your journey, because in starting, this is just a process. Making mistakes is a process. It is in the process whenever we are going to learn something new, so we will definitely make mistakes. Otherwise, how can we learn directly? Mistakes will shape you the journey in a very good manner, so that you will not be able to make the mistakes again. After making these mistakes, you guys have to make over these mistakes. So this is the step 2, guys. You guys have to apply. And truly speaking, it can definitely change the way you learn spoken English. Okay, so you guys have to apply this. And comment on my video after applying this tip, how are you feeling now, and how the way how the things have changed in your life. So please comment on my video after applying these things. And guys, step number 3 that I already have told in my video, in my last videos, that you guys have to record or take a review. You guys have to record and take a review. This is just speaking practice, like speaking practice. I have told that you guys have to do 5 minutes exercise, and with that exercise, you guys have to do one thing. One thing you can do. Everyone has the smartphone nowadays. You can say this is the smart jamana. This is the smart time. Everyone has the smartphone, and you guys have to do this thing while you are talking for 5 minutes. That exercise you guys have to record on your mobile phone, and after that, you guys have to take a review. Don't worry about the mistakes you guys are making, but it will truly help you to make over the mistakes, transform your mistakes. You guys have to record, and after that, you guys have to watch this 5 minutes video rather than watching another one video. You guys have to watch your video. That will change your life. That will transform your body language. That will transform your communication skills. If you are watching your video, because you are just looking at how are you speaking, you are just looking at how are you shaking your hands, how are you moving. So it will definitely going to help a lot, not only for spoken English but also for your communication skills, body language. There are the many things that will boost your confidence level. So this is the 3rd step that you guys have to do. Okay, this will definitely going to help you a lot guys. Okay guys, step number 4, that is find a speaking partner. But from where to find a speaking partner? Everybody is struggling for this. If you have the friends with who are supportive for you, and who truly want to learn this language, so you can talk to them and it is going to it is going to help you a lot if you have these kinds of friends. If you don't have, so you guys have to download an app that I will put the link in description. That is Ace Fluency app. Truly speaking, I used to this app when I was beginner. It helped me a lot. There will be only, you will get 20 minutes for free. 20 minutes for free in a particular day. You guys have to use this app in a very good manner. You guys have to talk only in English language. You guys have to call someone there. That guy can be from any parts of India, any part. That can be from West Bengal, Bihar, Patna, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, from any parts. You guys have to talk. There will be the guys who will speak only in English language, because this is the app only designed for those guys who want to speak English, who want to learn this language. So you guys have to talk in English language. So this is the app that I will highly recommend you. If you don't have that environment, if you don't have the guys with whom you can talk face to face, but if you have this app in your phone, you guys can learn spoken English. You don't need to go outside for speaking practice. You don't need to go outside. If you are going outside, you will hesitate. You don't need to hesitate, because you are having this this very good app, and use this app. So this is how you will be able to create a speaking partner. Finding a speaking partner, it is going to help you a lot. Please apply these things in your life. These things can truly transform your life. The way you used to learn this language, you could not learn somehow. But if you are applying these things, I can say with the 100% surety that you guys are going to learn this language faster than usually, guys. I emphasized this word, that you guys can learn spoken English faster than usually that you guys used to do. Apply these things, and by applying these things, you will be able to learn this language. And remember one thing, that is consistency is the key. Consistency. You guys have to be consistent in your learning journey. You don't have to make your journey boring. If you are making your journey boring, you will feel very nervous. You will be in your comfort zone if you are making your journey boring. Just make your journey enjoyable. Watch movies, watch English vlogs, watch English speeches, so that you guys can enjoy, and with that enjoyment you guys can learn spoken English. So make your journey enjoyable. This is how you will be able to be consistent in your learning journey, and consistency is the key of success. In any kind of career, in any kinds of learning process, the consistency is the key. Consistency will save your learning journey easily. So be consistent in your learning journey. So this is how we guys can learn English. And if you don't believe on me, I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh. I come from very humble background, Hindi medium background, but I learned this language by myself by using YouTube and some apps. By only those steps, I am here. I am able to speak very fast because I practiced a lot, and I practiced spoken English with the consistency. Consistency helped me a lot, guys. Consistency will transform your life. So please apply these things, and please, if you found something relevant by watching this video, give the review on my comment section how these things helped in your learning journey. प्लीज कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियो कि कैसे आप लोगों को इन सारे स्टेप्स ने सहायता की. प्लीज यदि आपने 1-2 स्टेप्स भी अप्लाई करे ना इनसे, तो यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. बिलीव मी गाइज, अप्लाई करिए और लर्न करिए इंग्लिश, और मेरे जैसी और मुझसे भी बेहतर और नेटिव स्पीकर, स्पीक लाइक अ नेटिव स्पीकर. ओके, तो प्लीज कमेंट करिए, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन so that you can never miss my videos. I will be uploading these kinds of relevant videos for you guys. Okay, and share to all your friends who are very very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. Okay, so please one like तो बनता है ना. Okay, bye bye, have a good day.